Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to play Minecraft LAN with friends. Okay, first things first, what you want to do is to open up your Minecraft app. If you and your friends are on the same Wi-Fi network, you can easily join each other's world easily. What you want to do is to just look for joinable friends in the game menu, and if your friend is nearby and on the same network, their world should show up here. If your friend is not on the same network, you need to add them as a friend using their gamer tag. Make sure also that they also have a Microsoft account. Click Add Friend and enter your friend's gamer tag. Once your friend is added, you'll see them on the Joinable Friends list whenever they are playing multiplayer Minecraft. Ensure that both you and your friend are on the same game version to avoid compatibility issues. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now play Minecraft LAN with friends. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.